Laplace transform of discontinuous function. So question is, find Laplace transform of ft equal to phi when t is lying between to 0 and 3 and 0 when t is greater than 3. So answer, we know that by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of ft equal to integration with limit 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So we can break this limit in two parts. Means we have integral with limit 0 to 3 and e power minus st ft dt and 3 to infinity e power minus st ft dt according to the given function. So we have the value of ft in between the limit 0 and 3 is 5 and the value of ft in 3 to infinity is 0. So यहाँ पर ये ft को हम 5 पुट करेंगे और ये 0 पुट करेंगे. So we observe that second integral becomes 0. So first integral is phi with limit integral 0 to 3 e power minus st dt. So phi e power minus st upon minus s with limit 0 to 3 5 upon minus s into e power minus 3s minus e power 0 and e power 0 equal to 1. So we have final result is 5 into 1 minus e power minus 3s upon s. The Laplace transform of ft if ft equal to e power t when ft equal to e power t when 0 less than t less than 1, 0 when t is greater than 1. So we know that by definition of Laplace transform, we have Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So यहाँ पर इस इंटीग्रल को हम ब्रेक करेंगे टू पार्ट में. फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल में ब्रेक करेंगे विद लिमिट 0 to 1 एंड सेकंड इंटीग्रल ब्रेक करेंगे with limit 1 to infinity. So we have Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to 1 e power minus st into ft means e power t. ft means e power t with limit 0 to 1 and plus integral 1 to infinity e power minus st. Here ft equal to 0. So second integral becomes 0 and this is equal to 0. So we have Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to 1 e power minus s minus 1 into t dt, or on integrating we have minus e power minus s minus 1 into t upon s minus 1 with limit 0 to 1. So by using the upper limit and lower limit, we have 1 upon s minus 1 into 1 minus e power minus s minus 1 is the answer. Find the Laplace transform Laplace of ft where ft equal to 0 when 0 less than t less than 2, 4 when t is greater than 2. So we know that by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. यहाँ पर ये इंटीग्रल को हम ब्रेक करेंगे लिमिट 0 to t 0 to 2 एंड 2 to infinity. ये ब्रेक होगा. सो हम विद लिमिट 0 to 2 के लिए ft की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और 2 to infinity के लिए पुट करेंगे. सो वी हैव Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to 2 e power minus st ft dt plus 2 to infinity e power minus st ft dt, and putting the values of ft, so we have integral 0 to 2 e power minus st into 0 dt plus 2 to infinity e power minus st into 4 dt. So first integral is equal to 0 and second integral is 4 with limit 2 to infinity e power minus st dt, and on integrating we have 4 e power minus st upon minus s with limit 2 to infinity. So by using the upper and lower limit, we have 4 e power minus infinity upon minus s plus e power minus 2s upon s, and we observe that the, this value equal to 0. So final result is 4 into e power minus 2s upon s is answer. Find Laplace transform of fx equal to x upon a, 0 less than x less than a, 1 when x is greater than a. So we know that Laplace of fx equal to 0 to infinity e power minus x sx into fx dx. So यहाँ पर भी हम इस इंटीग्रल को टू पार्ट में ब्रेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल 0 to a e power minus sx fx dx, and second integral a to infinity e power minus sx fx dx. So putting the value of function in the first and second integral, so we have integral 0 to a x upon a e power minus s x into dx plus a to infinity e power minus sx into dx. So first integration को हम solve करेंगे by using the product formula of integration. So we have first x upon a equal to first function and e power minus sx equal to second function. So 1 upon a is the constant value. So integration of e power minus sx equal to e power minus sx upon minus s into x, and we have limit 0 to a minus 1 upon a. Differentiation of first function is 1 and integration of second function is e power minus sx upon minus s into dx plus second integral a to infinity e power minus sx into dx. So next we have 1 upon a into a e power minus sx upon minus s plus 1 upon as e power minus sx upon minus s with limit 0 to a plus e power minus sx upon minus s with limit a to infinity. So minus e power minus as upon s minus 1 upon a s square into e power minus as minus 1 minus 1 upon s e power minus infinity plus 1 upon s e power minus as. So first and last term are cancelled here, and we know that the value of e power minus infinity equal to 0. So final answer 1 upon as square into 1 minus e power minus as. So we have 1 upon as square into 1 minus e power minus as is the answer. Next question is prove that Laplace of ht equal to twice 1 minus e power minus pi s upon s square plus 4, where ht is given by sin 2t when 0 less than t less than pi and 0 when t is greater than pi. So by using the definition of Laplace transform, we have Laplace of ht equal to with limit 0 to pi e power minus st ht dt plus pi to infinity e power minus st ht dt. So putting the value of ht with limit 0 to pi and here ht with limit pi to infinity. So we have Laplace of ht equal to 0 to infinity limit integral e power minus st into sin 2t dt plus integration of with limit pi to infinity e power minus st into 0 dt. So second integral becomes 0 and remain value is integral with limit 0 to pi e power minus st into sin 2t dt. So for solving this integration, we have by using this formula. So by using this formula, we can calculate this integral easily. So we know that the formula of integration e power ax into sin bx dx equal to e power ax into a sin bx minus b cos bx upon a square plus b square. On comparing both integrations, so we have a equal to minus s and b equal to 2. So Laplace of ht equal to e power minus st upon s square plus 4 into minus s into sin 2t minus 2 cos 2t with limit 0 to pi, or we have e power minus s pi upon s square plus 4 into minus 2 cos 2 pi minus 1 upon s square plus 4 into minus 2 cos 0. And we know that cos 2 pi equal to 1 and cos pi 0 also 1. So we have 2 upon s square plus 4 minus 2 e power minus s pi upon s square plus 4 taking LCM, and we have final result is 2 upon 2 upon s square plus 4 into 1 minus e power minus pi s. And the Laplace transform of ft, where ft equal to t minus a whole power 4 when t is greater than a and 0 when t is less than a. So we know that by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of ft equal to integral with limit 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So we can break this integral into two parts. We have Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to a e power minus st ft dt plus a to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So by using the values of ft with limit 0 to a and with limit a to infinity, so we have Laplace of ft equal to integration with limit 0 to a e power minus st into 0 dt, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमें ft की वैल्यू इस लिमिट के लिए 0 गिवन है, एंड सेकंड वैल्यू ft इक्वल टू t माइनस a पावर 4 गिवन है. So first integral equal to 0 and we have Laplace of ft equal to integral with limit a to infinity t minus a power 4 into e power minus st into dt. So we can solve this integral by using the product formula. So consider first function equal to t minus a power 4 and second function is e power minus st. So t minus a power 4 into integration of second function is e power minus st upon minus s with limit a to infinity minus integration with limit a to infinity differentiation of first function is 4 into t minus a power 3 into e power minus st upon minus s into dt. So next we have t minus a power 4 into e power minus st upon minus s plus 4 upon s integral with limit a to infinity t minus a power 3 into e power minus st into dt. So again we can solve this integral by part also. So first function, second function. So we have t minus a power 4 upon minus s into e power minus st plus 4 upon s into t minus a power 3 into e power minus st upon minus s minus integration first function, differentiation of first function is 3 into t minus a square e power and integration of second function is e power minus st upon minus s into dt. Again by using the product formula, and we have t minus a power 4 t minus a power 4 upon minus s into e power minus st minus 4 into t minus a power 3 into e power minus st upon s square plus 12 upon s square into integral t minus a square into e power minus st dt. So by using the product formula again, and we have t minus a power 4 upon minus s into e power minus st minus 4 upon s square t minus a power 3 into e power minus st plus 12 upon s square into first function t minus a square into integration of second function is e power minus st upon minus s minus integral differentiation of first function is 2 into t minus a into integration of second function is e power minus st upon minus s into dt. Again by using the product formula in this integral, so first function and second function. So we have t minus a power 4 into e power minus st upon minus s minus 4 t minus a power 3 upon s square into e power minus st plus 12 t minus a square upon minus s power 3 into e power minus st plus 24 upon s power 3 integration of t minus a into e power minus st dt. So again by using the product formula also, so we have t minus a power 4 into e power minus st upon minus s minus 4 t minus a power 3 upon s square into e power minus st minus 12 t minus a power 2 upon s power 3 into e power minus st plus 24 upon s power 3 into t minus a integration of second is e power minus st upon minus s minus integration e power minus st upon minus s into dt. And next is, so we have t minus a power 4 up into e power minus st upon minus s minus 4 t minus a power 3 into e power minus st upon s square minus 12 into t minus a power 2 into e power minus st upon s power 3 minus 24 into t minus a upon s power 4 into e power minus st minus 24 e power minus st upon s power 4 with limit a to infinity. By using this limit, we observe that all values are 0. Remain value is only 24 e power minus as upon s power 5. So final answer is 24 into e power minus as upon s power 5. Laplace transform of ft, where ft equal to t 0 less than t less than 1, 1 when 1 less than t less than 2, 0 when t is greater than 2. So solution, we know that by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. यहाँ पर गिवन फंक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग हम इस इंटेग्रल को 3 पार्ट में ब्रेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज विद लिमिट 0 to 1, second is with limit 1 to 2, and third is with limit 2 to infinity. So अब हम यहाँ पर ft की वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे with limit 0 to 1, with limit 1 to 2, and with limit 2 to infinity. So we have Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to 1 e power minus st t dt plus integral limit 1 to 2 e power minus st into 1 dt plus integral 2 to infinity e power minus st into 0 dt. So third integral equal to 0. Remain integrations are Laplace of ft equal to with limit 0 to 1 integration t into e power minus st dt plus integration 1 to 2 e power minus st into dt. सो यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे हम. सो फर्स्ट फंक्शन t, सेकंड फंक्शन e पावर माइनस एस टी. सो लाप्लास ऑफ एफ टी इक्वल टू t integration of second function is e power minus st upon minus s minus differentiation of first function, integration of second function, and again integration. So we have e power minus st upon s square with limit 1 to 2 with limit with limit 0 to 1 with limit 0 to 1 and plus we have Laplace of ft equal to first function t e power minus st upon minus s square minus differentiation of first is 1 and integration of second is e power minus st upon minus s, again integrating. So we have e power minus st upon s square with limit 0 to 1 plus integration of second integration e power minus st upon minus s with limit 0 1 to 2. So by using the limits we have Laplace of ft equal to e power minus s upon s. We have Laplace of ft equal to minus e power minus s upon s minus e power minus s upon s square plus 1 upon s square minus 1 upon s into e power minus 2s minus e power minus s. So Laplace of ft equal to, final answer is Laplace of ft equal to 1 minus e power minus s minus s into e power minus 2s upon s square. And function of exponential order. A function ft is said to be exponential order if there exists a real number, real constant alpha, m positive, m greater than 0, t is greater than 0, such that e power minus alpha t modulus of ft less than equal to m. Or we can say that modulus of ft less than equal to m into e power alpha t for all t is greater than equal to capital T. We also say that f is the exponential order of alpha.